My name is Philip Viljoen, and I would like to tell you a little bit about the program and where it started. In 1991, my wife started dressmaking as a career, and coming from a financial background, it was a big problem for me to figure out why the ladies in the dressmaking industry and nowadays in the embroidery industry charge prices that does not make sense. So with that, I've basically gone and created a program and put together that's to serve the specific industry named the dressmaking industry, the embroidery industry, as well as the digitizing industry. This also would assist anybody in the manufacturing industry and in the craft industry to calculate at least an hourly rate that is relative to their daily cost, to their expenses, and what is needed for them to make sure that they don't work for free. And at this stage, we're working on a new module that will be available shortly for the quilting industry. Let me just take you through some of the processes and show you what the actual program can do. Asks 9 questions, and based on that 9 questions, it can create a price for you, a pricing structure that you can use for your specific need.